Hello, welcome back to Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, we're gonna take a look again at Sverchok F curve in node. So we want to kind of monitor um, an animation of an object, and first of all, I will create some kind of motion capture animations. Basically, I have this cube right here, and I can turn on this record, and I want to record 250 frames of motion capture animations. So Alt A and grab the objects and start moving the objects. So this can be any kind of animations, including your own character animations. I'm gonna stop it right there. So it's recording a little bit of extra keyframes, but that's okay. So we have these objects already motion captured. I'm gonna save it. This is cube mocap, and I will be using Sverchok add-on F curve. So it's called F curve in. I'm gonna grab my cube, and we're gonna investigate the position locations of this guy through times. Okay, so we know that it's we just gonna need to monitor the position location XYZ. So it's gonna be property index 0, 1, and 2, and we should be able to grab the position like this, and we control the time using a number. Should be pretty clear really soon if we have like viewer draw and plug this into the matrix. And you can see if we traverse down the frame, we can kind of have like a motion path of the animation of this object. If I use like another box, just draw it in 3D view, so this guy should travel. And in fact, if I'm not using just a single number, if I use like a range float and plug this into this guy like that, we should have some kind of trail. There you go. It's all very dependent on the actual animation itself, but it's pretty good, right? So it's pretty cool that you can do this in real time. In fact, you can do a lot more because we have these points that's generating all these cubes. We can always just randomize and yeah, make all kind of different kind of trails. Not just trails, I think we can also resample this. First of all, vector interpolations, I think. Whoa, there's a lot of vector interpolation now. Vector interpolations. I believe this is the one. And here we can use range float between 0 and 1. So this is kind of a resample. So you can see now the trail is actually equally spaced. So this is the trail of that cube over there. Okay, so yeah, that's basically what I want to show you today. With this trail, you can simply also turn it into edges using UV connection. So we have a bunch of points already resampled, and we can turn it into edge, just like so. So there you go. Instant motion trail based on the position of these objects. So maybe at some points we can try doing the same thing for bones, or maybe for vertices, but vertices is not keyframe. Maybe we can do that if we actually cache some kind of alembic. This is just monitoring the position, right? Cube positions keyframe, maybe we can monitor also the vertices if it's actually part of the F curve. Okay, there you go. That's SphereTalk F curve in Nodes, which is this guy right here, and we use it to generate trails. Hopefully you find this useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.